I am Uday Bhans. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Bhans's English or Learn English with Uday Bhans. Today, I shall teach the students of class 8 a story, and its name is Whose Horse Was It? And this story is the first story of the book Stories from Past and Present. And its first story is Whose Horse Was It? And as this story is meant for or prescribed for the class 8 students, so I shall use both English and audio language in this story. Whose horse was it? One day, a young man was going to a town on his horse. Near the town gate, he saw a beggar. The story begins with the word one day. That means one day, a young man was going to a city for his work, and just near the town gate, he saw summons came upon. He came upon a beggar. Sir, the beggar cried out, please take me to the market on your horse. I am lame. And seeing that young man, the beggar who was at the town gate, shouted or cried, oh sir, please be kind to me. I am a lame person, and please take me to the market on your horse. That means the lame person who was at the town gate told the young man to carry him to the market by the help of his horse. That means sitting on the back of his horse. The kind young man agreed. He put the beggar on the horse, then he rode to the town. The young man was kind, and he did not forget the word humanity. So he put on the beggar on the back of his horse, and then he took that beggar to the marketplace. ଯେତକ ପିଲେ ବୁଝେଇଲି ତାର ଓଡ଼ିଆଟା ପିଲେ କ'ଣ ନା ଏଟା SGP 1ର ପିଲେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 1 ତା ଓଡ଼ିଆଟା ପିଲେ ଦିନେ ଜଣେ ଯୁବକ ଟାଉନକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ତା ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସିକରି ଏବଂ ସେ ଟାଉନର ଗେଟ୍ ବା ଫାଟକ ନିକଟରେ ସେ ଜଣେ ଭିକାରୀକୁ ଦେଖିଲା। ଭିକାରୀକୁ ଦେଖିକରି ସେ ଚିଲେଇ କରି କହିଲା, ସାର୍, ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘୋଡ଼ା ପିଠିରେ ବସେଇ କରି ଟିକେ ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କହୁଛି ନା କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଲେମ୍ ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? ଲେମ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ପଙ୍ଗୁ, ଲେମ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ଅକର୍ମଣ୍ୟ। That means in English, lame means physical disability or a disabled person. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଭିକାରୀଟି କହିଲା, ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଅକର୍ମଣ୍ୟ ବା ପଙ୍ଗୁ, ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ନେଇ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସେଇ କରି। ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ ଉପରେ ନିର୍ଭର କରୁଥିଲା ଯେ ସେ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସେଇ କରି ନେବ କି ନାହିଁ ସେଇ ଭିକାରୀ ଜଣକୁ। ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ଯୁବକ ଜଣ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦୟାଳୁ ଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ସେ ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ ରାଜି ହୋଇଗଲେ ଏବଂ ରାଜି ହୋଇକରି ସେ ଭିକାରୀଟିକୁ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ବସେଇ କରି ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ନେଇଗଲେ। ଏବଂ ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା? What happened next? Paragraph 2 SGP 1. They reached the market. That means they arrived the market. Then the young man said, you can get off here. And after arriving at the market, the young man told the beggar to get off from his horse. But I do not want to get off. You get off my horse. I want to go on, said the beggar. The beggar did not want to get up from that horse. Instead of getting up from that horse, the beggar told the young man that that horse was his. So there was no question on the part of him of getting down. That means the beggar told the young man the horse was his. So it would be better on the part of the young man to get up from the horse. Your horse? This is my horse. The young man was fully surprised and he asked the beggar whether that horse was his. Your horse? Yes, it is mine. Get off or else I shall take you to the king's officer. All right, let's go to him. That means when the beggar did not agree to get off from the horse, the young man became angry and he tried to threaten the lame or the beggar. And he told him or he threatened him if he would not get off from his horse, he would take him to the king's officer. But the beggar had no acceptance or the beggar had no hesitation. And he at once replied, yes, it would be better to take him to the king's officer so that everything would be decided. Here, perhaps or else, and it perhaps you do not know the meaning of or else, and or else means otherwise. And officer, that means the high personalities, that means officers, the high personalities of the king. Officer, high personality. तमने तो ओडिया रे पिले कौन हबो और एल्स अर्थ नचेत जोटा पे तुम अदरवाइज कह आ ऑफिसर अर्थ पिले जोटा पिले उच्च पदस्थ कर्मचारी की बुझा जाए तले बर्तमान देखिबा पारा 2 रो ओडिया मीनिंग कौन से दुई जण जाक जते बेले बाजार रे जाई करी पहुंची गले बा मार्केट रे जाई करी पहुंची गले सौटू युवक जनक कहले से बेगार को आज्ञा आपण टिके ओल्हे पड़तु किंतु बेगारटी ओल्हेबा परिवर्ते सी आहरी मुहतोड़ जवाब देइथिला कहिथिला मु ओल्हेबी नाई 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 मु तो आगुकु जीवी भल हम तुमे मो घोड़ारू ओल्हे पड़ तेणु बर्तमान युवक जनक कहले कौन एटा तू मो घोड़ा एटा तो मो घोड़ा मु तुमको बसई कर आनिली पुणी तुमे मते कहछ तू मो घोड़ा बोली केमिति हलाटा सौटू तापर भिखारीटी कहले तू मो घोड़ा एटा मो घोड़ा एमती जुक्ति तर्क चलिला जेमती जुक्ति तर्क चलिला युवक जनक जानिथिले जे से घोड़ाटा तांकर एवं बेगार जनक तांको ठारू जोर जबरदस्त छड़े नवा पाई चाहुतले सेतिपाई से रागी जाइथिले एवं रागी करी धमक देइथिले जे जदि तुमे मो घोड़ारू न ओल्लाह मु तुमको राजांक उच्च पदस्थ कर्मचारी पाखक नहीं जीवी एवं धमक देला बेले भाभी बोधुए से डरी जीवे बेगार जनक डरी जीवे किंतु वास्तव में बेगार जनक डरवा लोक नथिला से संगे संगे आहरी जवाब देइथिला मुहतोड़ जवाब देकरी कहिथिला चालू ना चलो आसो जीव आसो सो दिस इज SGP 1 paragraph 1 and 2 next SGP 2 paragraph 3 so they went to the king's officer that means as the fact was that there was a dispute matter that means the dispute was not settled whose horse it was so both the young man and beggar went to the king's officer The young man said to him, Sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. This man wanted to come to the town market. He is lame, so I brought him to the market on my horse. Now he says that the horse is his. Sir, please help me to get my horse from him. The young man described everything from the beginning up to end. Up to end. That means he told the king's officer that he was on his way to town, and on the way, the beggar stopped him and told him that he would have to help him taking him to the market. But but then he changed his mentality and now he demanded that the horse was his. ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିନିଂ ଏଥିରେ ପିଲେ କିଛି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ନାହିଁ ପିଲେ ପ୍ରାୟ ତାହେଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ନା ରାଜାଙ୍କର ଉଚ୍ଚପଦସ୍ଥ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ପାଖକୁ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଯାଇକରି ମୂଳରୁ ଶେଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯାହା ସବୁ ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଥିଲା ସବୁ କିଛି ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରି କରି କହିଥିଲେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିବି ମୁଁ ତ ଘୋଡ଼ା ଚଢ଼ିକି ଯାଉଥିଲି ଟାଉନକୁ ଆସୁଥିଲି ଏବଂ ସେ ଏ ଲୋକଟା ଏ ଭିକାରୀ ଜଣକ ମୋତେ ବାଟରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଦେଖିକରି କହିଲେ ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ବଜାରକୁ ନେଇ ଚାଲ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ ବି ସେ ଅକର୍ମଣୀୟ ବୋଲି ଫିଜିକାଲି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିକ୍ୟାପ୍ଟ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ମାର୍କେଟକୁ ଆସିକରି ଡାଇଲଗ୍ ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା ତାଙ୍କର ବୋଲି ସାର୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଦୟା କର ମହାଶୟ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଦୟା କରନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା ମୋତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସୋ ଏମିତି କଥା କହିଲେ କିଏ ଥିଲେ ନା ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ The beggar said, he is a thief and a liar. Liar means a person who tells lies. A person who tells lies. The beggar said, he is a thief and a liar. Sir, this is my horse. I am lame. I cannot walk well, so I bought this horse. Now, the lame or the beggar told the king's officer that the young man was a thief and he was telling a lie. Actually, that horse belonged to him, and as he was lame, so he could not walk well. Only for this reason, to make his travel comfort, he had bought a horse. The king's officer looked at them. Who was the thief? Whose horse was it? He did not know. The king's officer was in a dilemma, was in a puzzle. That means he did not decide, he did not make a decision whose horse it was. That means what the beggar was telling him, and perhaps it looked that the horse belonged to him. And what the young man was telling him, perhaps it looked that the horse belonged to him. So there was a puzzle in the mind of the king's officer. There was a puzzle in the mind of the king's officer. English ଟା ଗଲା ଓଡ଼ିଆଟା କ'ଣ ହବିଲେ ଭିକାରୀ ଜଣକ କହିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ ଚୋର ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ପୁରା ରେପୁଟେଡ୍ ଚୋର ଆଉ ମିଛୁଆ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଲା ଆଉ ସାର୍ ସେ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା ତ ମୋର ମୁଁ ତ ଅକର୍ମଣୀୟ ପଙ୍ଗୁ ଲୋକ ମୁଁ ତ ଚାଲିପାରେନି ତେଣୁ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟାକୁ କିଣିକି ଆଣିଥିଲି ଟିକେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯିବା ଆସିବା କରିବି ଟିକେ କାମରେ ଲାଗିବ ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇଁ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସର ଜଣକ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ କାହିଁକି ଚାହିଁଲେ ସେ ଭାବିଥିଲେ ଚାହିଁଲେ ଆଖିରେ ଆଖି ମିଶିଲେ କାଳେ ମିଛଟା ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଯାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଚାହିଁଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ସେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ଚୋର କିଏ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା କାହାର ସେ ଜମା ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ସେ ବି ଦ୍ୱନ୍ଦ୍ୱରେ ପଡ଼ିଯାଇଥିଲେ ଦେନ୍ SCP-3 para 5 Sir, I may ask him a question, the young man said. That means the young man thought that he was going to lose his horse, his own horse. So he tried to apply his presence of mind. He asked the king's officer to permit him to ask a question. Yes, the officer said, go on. The officer had no hesitation because he did, that means, as an officer, he got no idea who the real owner of the horse was. So he permitted the young man to ask a question. The young man took off his turban. Turban, you might have known, that means a piece of cloth that means that people usually, or some of the people usually wear as of hats, etc. And you might have seen the cricketer Harbhajan Singh wears a turban, and most of the Sikh, and they also wear turbans. So in this way, the young man took off his turban, quickly covered the horse's eyes with it. Then he said to the beggar, "This horse is yours, you say. You know your horse well. Now tell me, which of its eyes is blind, the left or the right eye?" The young man had no other idea. He at once took off his turban from his head and quickly covered both of the eyes of his horse by that turban. And then he asked a question to the young man, not young man, then he asked a question to the beggar to tell him which of the horse eyes is blind. That means whether the left eye was blind or the right eye of the horse was blind. Now the answer of the beggar will decide who the owner of the horse was. Now you can see what the beggar replied. The right eye. The right eye? Are you sure? No, it is the left eye. Ear. And ear, it is the sound. And that is used by the people when they are deciding to tell next thing. That means ear, it is the sound. And when people are deciding to tell the next thing, and they use this sound, that is ear, in this way. And at first the beggar replied that the right eye of the horse was blind, and then he replied that the left eye. That means from the answer of the beggar, everything was clear. ओडियारे बुझिबा जेतेबेले युवक जनक देखिले आ कोनोसी उपाय नाही जे लेम पर्सन बा बेगर जनक कहउछंती घोड़ा तांकर बोली ऑफिसर जनक कोनोसी निष्पत्ति नहीं पारुनाती से कोन कले ना सीधा सड़क तांको पगड़ी को ओल्हे देले टर्बान माने पगड़ी तो मन सब पिले गीत शुणुथ पगड़ी संभाल के तेणु पगड़ी ओल्हे देले पगड़ी ओल्हे देकरी कौन कले संगे संगे घोड़ार आखि दुईटा को से पगड़ी रे बांधी देले बांधी देकी संगे संगे कौन कले ना से जो बेगार जन को क्वेश्चन पचारले कहला आज्ञा आपण तो कहउछंती ए घोड़ाटा तो आपणकर किछि नाई भल कथा यदि आपणको घोड़ा तला आपण तो भल भापर जानिथिबे जे आपणकर घोड़ार कोठी खुण अछि कि कोठी गुण अछि जानिथिबे कि नाई ताले एबे मते कहंतु ए घोड़ार तो गोटे आखि माने ब्लाइंड तो देखा जाए ने गोटे आखि को तब जब न देखा जाए मते टे कहिलो को आखिटा को देखा जाए ना को आखिटा तार ब्लाइंड संगे संगे बेगार जन को उत्तर देले कहले हाँ अरे रे 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 घोड़ार ई जो डाण आखिटा को देखा जाओनी पा जते बेले डाण आखि को देखा जाए बोले कहिले युवक जनक कहिले पूरा निश्चित तो ना अरे 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 ना बाँ आखिटा को देखा जाए पा एमती उत्तर मिला देन paragraph 6 the young man turned to the officer and said, "Sir, the horse's eyes are all right, It is not blind at all. Please look at its eyes. Now it is time for the young man to uncover the truth or to find out the truth. So, without making any late, without making any late, the young man, the young man took off the cloth or the turban from the eyes of the horse and told the king's officer that both of the eyes of his horse were right, were okay. The officer took off the cloth. He looked at the horse's eyes. The horse was not blind at all. You are a thief, he said to the beggar. Come with me, I shall put you into prison. So when the officer took off the cloth from the eyes of the horse, he discovered that both of the eyes of the horse were okay, were right, and that means there was no chance of blindness. Now the thief was caught. That means now the beggar was caught as a thief. So the officer got angry and told him to follow him so that he would put him in prison. That means in this story, what moral have we learned? Presence of mind can save you in future. So be active and lead an active life always. And your presence of mind is very much necessary for you. So always try to find out creativity of yours. ତେଣୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆଟା ଦେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଯୁବକ ଜଣକ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇଁ ରାଜାଙ୍କର ଉଚ୍ଚ ପଦସ୍ଥ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଅନେକ କରି କହିଲେ, ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାର ଆଖି ଦୁଇଟା ପୁରା ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, କୌଣସି ଆଖି ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ପଗଡ଼ିଟା ବନ୍ଧା ହେଇଛି ତାକୁ ଟିକେ କାଢ଼ି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ। ତେଣୁ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସର କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ସେ ପଗଡ଼ିକୁ କାଢ଼ି ଆଣିଲେ। କାଢ଼ି ଆଣି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ଘୋଡ଼ାର ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକ ଆଖି ପୁରା ଠିକ୍ ଥିଲା। ଯଦି ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକ ଆଖି ଠିକ୍ ଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇଁ ଅଫିସର ଜଣକ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେ ଯେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଦୋଷୀ ହେଉଛି ବେଗାର ଜଣକ ବା ଭିକାରୀ ଜଣକ। ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ସେ ଭିକାରୀକୁ କହିଥିଲେ, ବାବା ମୋ ସହିତ ଆ, ଏବେ ଜେଲକୁ ଯିବୁ, ଆ, ଜେଲର ସେଲ୍ ଭିତରେ ରହିବୁ, ତୋତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ। ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ତାକୁ ନେଇକରି ଜେଲରେ ରଖିଦେଇଥିଲେ। If you think this channel will be helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.